Hey, what's happening? So I'm here again doing was it number 6 now for splitting firewood, tip number 6. So this one is all about where you should hit the piece of wood. Now a lot of experienced people will just kind of do this naturally, so this is kind of more for beginners. But when you swing the axe to try to split your piece of wood, definitely try to aim to go in a straight line. Your goal is to try to make that split. So if on your first hit you don't split it, your second one is right in line with your first, and then third, if you need more, you're staying in that same line. If you just swing randomly, hit it over here, and you're just chopping at it, then it's going to be a lot harder on you. It's going to be a lot longer day, a lot more work. So what I always try to do, instead of keeping in that same line for a small piece like this is not a very big piece of red oak here, I try to swing further away from me, hit it out here first. If that doesn't split, I move in just a little bit, and on this one it will be the middle, and then I swing and I hit as close to me as I can. So there, did not split. So what I did is that did split it. I don't know if you could tell, but I swung first one there, second one right here. If it needs a third one, I'll just crack it through, and that's split. And then from there, if you've seen my other videos, I like to do that golf swing, and that really just finishes it up. So yeah, for beginners especially, when you swing that axe, when you're getting started, try to focus on creating that straight line that you can consistently hit. If you have a really big piece, sometimes it's helpful if you try to chip off the edges, but staying in a straight line instead of trying to split all the way through it. I'll show that, I'm sure, on another video, a giant piece of something. But yeah, let me know what you think. Just keep swinging that axe. You'll get better and more accurate, and you'll be able to, basically the one line will connect to the second line from where you hit with the axe. Let me know.